number 08. 806. There you go. Number is 801. 801. 801. Here you go. Thank you very much. Okay. Do it. Which one is it?
I don't know.
Which one have to
The
use?
blue.
The blue one.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Oh my god. Thank you very much. Wow. Wow, you can go 7-Eleven, girl. This is our room for today. Yay! With TV. Nice. Air condition. How come we didn't have the city view? Huh? Take a photo? Yeah, sure. Can we look our room? Wow, we had 2 single bed for tonight. And this is our bathroom. So clean. Yes. Mura lang kasi nakuha ko to. Nag-sale siya, guys. Normally, yata ito. Pero nakuha ko lang siya ng 120. Kasi, nag-sale siya sa Agoda. Ayan. Pwede ka mag-coffee dito sa labas. You can open it or no?
No, it's broken.
Hang
Broken
on.
or tried open.
Oh. But how can we get out here? Oh no. Because maybe we can't get in. Anda. There.
Wow.
There you go. That's our view today.
Okay.
No. Here. This one.
Okay, stop recording.
Okay. We have television. Wow, we can cook too. What we have? Okay. Huwag mong sirain, girl, kasi magbabayad tayo niyan. Say hello to my God's eyes. Hi! Ang buhok pa, nagkaano na